Good morning. So, US is technically in a recession, having two quarters, this quarter and previous quarter, in negative GDP. That's the definition of recession. But if you believe the White House and Jerome Powell of the US Fed, they are not. They're saying that you can't be in a recession with job market so strong. Well, trying to redefine definitions. They've been doing that for a while, this particular White House. Market loved it though, particularly stocks. Went gangbusters, up massive moves since the Fed raised rates. S&P put on 100 points or more. Stocks globally all pretty strong. VIX over here, nothing to worry about. Hedging against the market is down towards the lows. It's not the lowest it's ever been, but certainly not showing any sign of fears. So it's just buy. Close your eyes and buy. That's the theory anyway. Looking into commodities, we're seeing a bit of growth coming back in. There's copper there. That's bonds, we'll come back to that. Natural gas coming off. Gold getting stronger. Yen is also getting stronger, so there's some safe haven. It's just not going into the US. And we're seeing the commodity index up a little, starting to creep up as well. And I note iron ore, massive day, big turnaround. Not sure what's brought that about, but that should support the Aussie dollar and the Aussie stock market. Stronger iron ore prices, and coke and coal still going pretty well as well. So bonds obviously took a hit off the GDP and the fact that we're going into a recession, and looking more and more likely that we're not going to get any more interest rate hikes out of the US Fed, despite the fact that, hey, we're not in a recession. And that leads us into currencies where we're seeing the US dollar weakening, as it's not getting any safe haven flow and interest rates have peaked. So notably the yen strengthened as well. So coming into Friday, now that all that news is out, well, we've got inflation numbers as well tonight out of the US. So it's probably the one that the Fed watches the most, this one. So there's still a bit of sort of noise to deal with, and technically we're still in a downtrend on, or the US dollar still in an uptrend on a technical basis. So I wouldn't necessarily be jumping on the sell the US dollar bandwagon until the technical picture matches that. So again, we're stuck in the shorter time frames, and we'll look for opportunities there, perhaps on the euro dollar. Doesn't really look appealing. It's just going sideways. Moving averages are sideways. Price just choppy. So perhaps not. On the euro, Aussie dollar might be a little better. Only just. But yeah. Also we're at 70 cents, which is a big resistance line for Aussie dollars. So yeah. It's going to be tricky. I think a wait and see approach for Friday, and start the new week and the new month next week with a fresh view. And on that note, I'll leave you. You have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday.